Alright, I'm back. So I've got these tools. This is my everyday carry. It's kind of fake. I bought it on eBay. It's kind of like a fake leather or Corinthian leather. No animals were hurt. Anyway, so this is the new SouthOrd kit that I got. The MPXS-62 SouthOrd. And then I bought just the leather SouthOrd MPXS-14 because I was going to make that my everyday carry. But when I bought this kit, I didn't get like a traditional Bogota, and so I was kind of like sad about that. So what I did was, is I went and I ordered this one, and I ordered one pick while I ordered this from SouthOrd, and then it's Pagoda, which ends up being, I don't know if we can see it better on the black or what, but there you go. It's actually a nice Bogota. Anyway, I figured that would help round out my kit. I guess we can talk about my everyday carry. I've just got some really weird tools. I've got everything in here. My homemade stuff. Piece of bike spoke that I made, like, you know, Bogota out of. Just different wrenches. All kinds of picks. From a bunch of, China stuff. This is from the Clom kit. I took it out of the handle because it just was really weird feedback. Anyway, a nice octo rake. So I've got a lot of stuff in here. My top, the keyway tension tools. This is what I carry around. And just a bunch of tension wrenches, just because tension's where it's at. So this has a lot more pockets in it than this does. This only comes with one pocket, but it's leather. So I was just gonna try to split the leather and maybe rivet it. Anyway, I'll show you what I do. And again, here, split it and then like maybe rivet it so that it doesn't, rivet it so it doesn't like kind of just flop around in there. But it is lined with leather, so I'm wondering if I could make more pockets. Anyway, so that's going to be the new everyday carry, and then I'm going to pull some stuff out of here because I'm not going to keep everything in here. I'm going to leave a link in the description. There was a guy named Mr. Bosnian Bill. He's the one that I watched a lot, and that's kind of why I like a lot of the tools from Sparrows. Anyway, and then I watched him do a review on this set, and then I really wanted it. Of course, it is kind of sad. He also said there was no top of the keyway tension, but nobody's perfect. But the shine on these things is really just amazing to me. Okay, so I'm gonna leave a link in my description so you can kind of look at Bill's video if you want like actual numbers. He lays it out pretty pro. So this is it. You end up with basically the American set and the full American set and a full European set, and then you also end up with the same thing without handles. So you've got pretty much everything in here, all the picks with no handles, just smooth. And then you end up with all the other ones that are straight handled. Now this is the riveted set. I guess they got these new ones. I don't know if it's different metal, but that's it. Got your snake rakes, you got some hooks, like the balls. Anyway, I'm just gonna grab some out. We end up with the really thin ones, and that's just why I wanted to come in here and add this one to this main set. But I was gonna take some of this stuff out and just kind of like straighten it out. I didn't want to like do that on the camera, but I was gonna take everything out that was without handles. Try to, this is something we'll probably need for like everyday carry. Not really worried about the wrenches, they can stay put. They are kind of really just beautiful wrenches. It's like I'm almost afraid to use some of this stuff in the other set. I'm just gonna keep them separate. I don't know which one's which on which side, so. One's supposed to be thinner than the other one. Oh wow, so it's definitely strengthened. So I guess this must be the thinner one. It must be the thicker one. Because they've got a kind of that strengthening thing. This is probably, all this stuff seems a lot thinner, so this must be the European set. And you got everything, you got the city rake. This is kind of what I thought on camera here. Let me pull this one up. I really liked this one. It's kind of like an extended W, so it's like a big W or an M or something. I don't know, like it's a video rake, but it's almost kind of like that profile where you've got the Bogota, but or their Pogota. I don't know, pagoda or whatever they want to call it, but I don't know. Yeah, that's neat. Definitely how I got into it. You got D-Force diamonds, you got the snowman, you got the ball, big diamonds, little diamonds. Same thing over here, and then just everything in here. You've got both sides where you're just dealing with. You've got these nice handles. Man, I don't even know what to say. Like, what a wonderful, wonderful set. Yeah, they're all here. Anyway, so I've just given you kind of general overview. I was definitely going to organize them. These handles are just amazing. SouthOrd, you have done a wonderful job. Anyway, I'm really happy with their shipping. Even though I choose the cheap shipping, it gets here really quickly. I mean, I don't think they mess around at all. I want to do something else with these tension wrenches. I don't necessarily want them flopping around on a side pocket. Like maybe I can get some like rakes in here or something. Anyway, I'm glad about these ones. You got one Z wrench. So definitely didn't get a lot here. Let me move this up. Definitely didn't get a lot of tension. I mean, never used anything like this before. Not even sure what you would use it on. Well, if you know, put it in the comments. It's kind of an interesting one. Anyway, I think Bill was talking about that one. I don't know. Got like one Z wrench. They're just really shiny. And they feel better than just my standard ones that I make. Well, this one is tapered. Man, there's just something else. They're just so shiny. I just don't see enough tension wrenches. I like lots. Here's a key extractor. I too am. I heard Bill talk about how he liked the key extractor in his video. If you listen, but he liked the ones that are like wire. It's almost like they're like teeny little bob wire, and that's what I got off eBay. They're all like packed up and stuff right now as I'm working on my house, but those ones are probably the best whenever I'm breaking a pick. Like I bought this clom set, and this clom set was, I don't know, looked pretty nice on eBay, and I got it here and I started picking with it, and they did work, but I was rough on them and they just tend to break, and so then I'm digging them out, and so I was using those kind of like little bob wire extractors to get the stuff out. Having something like this, you can just feel it. It's amazing. I mean, got a couple different profiles of the snake, and then just to have it, wow. There's just nothing sharp on these at all. They're beautiful. I don't even know what to say. SouthOrd, you're my hero. And again, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can get like a better overview. He lays it out, and yeah, his videos are always pro. If you haven't been on Bosnia and Bill's channel, what rock have you been hiding under? Go check it out. Like if you're looking for a really good set, here it is. It's kind of like their big dog. This has got more pieces in it than a bucket of chicken. So, and I just couldn't believe their single pick prices, because they just take like a standard, I think it's this standard hook. Let me see, one more thing before I go. This hook here. This hook on their website is $1.65. Now obviously you're gonna have to pay for shipping, but I was thinking like, this is one of my favorite hooks, you know, and I wouldn't even make a peg for that. Plus everything right now on SouthOrd until Christmas is 25% off. So instead of spending like $150 plus shipping and all this kind of stuff, I was like $130 to my door for this thing. And of course, you know, buying that other thing, the Pagoda was like $5 by itself, and it was like $20. And I used that code again. I mean, the code is, it's like Holly19. Anyway, look it up. They're giving the code out. Like, wow. I wanted to just buy a bunch of these, so I just have them. Just, they're beautiful. I mean, like, wow. I want to buy like 20 bucks worth. Anyway, that'll be another time. Thanks for watching. This is the SouthOrd set, MPX-62. I'm refreshing my pics. Wow.